Wall Street Pete, as we're all yelling to the moon. How's everyone doing this morning? Wall Street Pete. We're making sick dough in crypto. Hit the like and subscribe. We're going on a ride. You don't want to trade crypto no more. Wall Street Pete, sick dough in crypto, where every day you hit the like, you hit the subscribe. We talk about positivity, crypto news, things live TA, things that you have to learn, have to understand about the crypto every day. So you come here, you hit the bell notification and the all, so you get the stuff immediately. Why was Brave Basic Attention Token going crazy yesterday? Was going a little bonkers. Brave to integrate with Solana's blockchain on its privacy-enabled browser. Well, what's going on was there's dApps. Dapper's wallet within. There was a nice weekend, nice little weekend in Portugal. Executives from Brave and Solana announced, they didn't tell you this, but they all went together, had a nice little meeting, and they partnered together. So now this is a big deal. What's up, Gary? Good morning. What they're doing is now starting to find out, and I don't know if you understand, there was an option between that and Ethereum. Well, they didn't want to pay the gas fees, wink, wink, and they picked Solana over Ethereum. So do pay attention to that move already. One of the big tokens, one of the big gaming's app is dApp, into the Web3, deep integration with browsers to key to help dApps build the best web experience. So expect, even though we're on here at Cardano talking about it, expect Basic Attention Token to continue to do some big things and hit all-time highs. It is now going to be in the Solana chain, hoping that this is not a double M pattern, double top pattern for Basic Attention Token, because then you will actually receive not that kick up as you deserve. But we're going to talk about a couple things about the dApp wallet. Well, Wall Street Pete has his moments for sale. I do have my moments. This is my John Morant moment. It's minted. I do have a very, very limited edition of these. There is, how many of these? I forget. Oh, there it is. 35,000 of them. I own the 271 of it, so I have the best minted one. So it's $400. I could change it to 500. I could change it to 100. When it gets sold, and it will get sold, I promise you, I'm going to take that money, transfer it into one of my wallets, and then just buy more Ethereum or buy whatever I want with it. I don't think you understand how versatile that stuff is. That's the Dapper wallet. So I'm in control of my Dapper wallet, all the verifications, everything covered. And Avalanche. We talked about Avalanche on this show, and I wanted a couple people to understand that I don't talk much about other tokens enough as I'd like to, but do talk about Avalanche. This one is on the KuCoin browser. I did say on its path to 100. And if you notice here, as you zoom in here and see this little leg up, well, this little leg up, we were only trading $86. I bought it to 70-something level. I told you $75. There it is. And there's some support building there. Avalanche, Avax, another gaming token really quick, just to show you, and exactly as I predicted when we touched, it was really nice. Just to tell you, like I said, if you follow me on Instagram, you'll get some of these moves. This wasn't the Avalanche show, huh? I must have deleted it, but I had exactly as I said, and when it came up, well, we came up and touched exactly to the 96. We talked about this last night on my show. That's probably when it was, but I do have to go to physical therapy, unfortunately. I do pay attention to Avax, Avalanche, as is a gaming token. It is consolidating down through, and I do see some moves coming, so you do have to pay attention to what it might be doing. Let's see here, Avalanche. Let's stick to one token real quick before we got to go. We're going to make this a quick, short video. And as you see, we're building strong support at the $87, $88, and that seems to be a big history of support in the past. So I do apologize. My notifications are not working, so you're watching older videos. I don't know what's going on. I guess they don't want me to blow up on my channel. So if you could, please hit the like and subscribe. Hopefully, we are continuing to consolidate in this falling wedge here. This is starting to look like actually, it's starting to look like a descending triangle pattern, to be honest. And what will happen here is if we don't get that momentum, as you see, the sideways action took us down, gave us a shakeout, and if that does happen, you may get the shakeout, the falling wedge, hit resistance, and then we can be back on our way and get our upward W, as it's going to take to see to retest that high again. So let's see where we go on Avalanche. It's looking good, but it is consolidating and doing its thing as it needs to from this humongous couple levels up. Is this a shoulders pattern? Is that the head? We will find out. It's going to take some time to confirm. It looks like if we do start to break through that level here where we are support and finish candles below, it's going to be scary. This is a 15-minute now, so it doesn't really give you the look. That was a 15-minute chart. So now if you look at the 4-hourly chart, you do see Avalanche and Avax doing something different. Hopefully we're done here, falling, building support on the 89 instead, and that's showing some big wicks up and big support coming. So a lot of people are seeing the price all-time highs on Avalanche. A lot of people are excited. It is moving and possibly could be going further. So do pay attention to the upward W. What is it? Well, it's a bigger W inside a smaller W, and that's what I'm talking about. There's your bigger W, and then before you know it, we're trading 104, 120. Good morning, Jackson. How are you? I was just talking about how Avalanche is looking good. Some of the levels, if you want to go back and pay attention. I did notice the growth. I bought at 88 cents on the UOS, and there it is, already telling you I bought at 88 cents. OUS is making some moves. I did buy this. You can get this on the KuCoin. You can get this, I believe, on Bitmart too. Pay attention, get in your trust wallet, see what you can do. This might be a head and shoulders pattern if we do start double topping on OUS. We do all coins here. If we do start double topping at the 122.8 and that price does not finish a candle above, which we have a strong candle right now trying to finish above, 2 hours and 22 minutes. It'll be 11 o'clock Eastern New York time. I'm trying to talk and go fast because I got to go somewhere. Physical therapy for my ankle. Finally getting physical therapy done on it. But this is looking to be the head, and I am looking to get out hopefully at the 140, 150 level. I know I don't have much TA showing it, but I will get out at the 140 level just to cover my ass. Make sure that I beat the whales. I believe it to go through 150, 160 just by the looks of this bad boy. If I see it from here, the last move up, and it did tell me we were looking pretty bullish on OUS. You probably don't even know what the hell this is, and I'm sorry if you never heard of this. I do talk about it on Instagram, so maybe it's important to follow me on Instagram. But we are hitting resistance, which soon will hopefully turn into support. And if this is that big move I'm talking about, I don't know what I said, but okay, 174. That's a big move. I don't know if that's coming, but if it does, you will be happy as hell to notice. So don't buy into green candles. 5 tips. So we talk about the 5 tips on how to trade. 1. Do not trade on emotion, okay? That's the first tip we talk about. You cannot trade on emotion. Paying attention to all these emotions and moves and everything that's going on will get you. It will get you. I want you to understand that emotion does run deep into here. And as we pay attention to the crypto market cap, 293, we pay attention to total crypto market cap, 41 billion. I don't think we'll ever come below the 1 trillion market cap of Bitcoin ever again. And as we're almost getting to a trillion market cap on our way to over a trillion, almost 20 billion in volume, we will proceed to go up there. Congratulations, Cardano. You are now the 4th spot of this ADA. So 14%, almost up 17 on the week. Now, all of a sudden, Cardano is something to pay attention to, going up about 6 billion in volume, market cap 76.7. That's looking healthy and really strong. So a lot of people are jumping into the 232 Cardano price. I am not. I am at the point where I bought 190 over and over and over again, and cheaper and cheaper. And what we're doing is we're looking at dollar cost average out. I sold a tiny bit at 230, bought the mana dip at 258, looking to see where it goes. Mana dip may take me all the way to this price, so pay attention. If we do get to 242, understand that there is something happening, and then it'll get attention eventually. It'll be back. But right now, looking to get a couple more bucks cheaper, see if we get it. If we do create a new lower low, then you understand that this thing is not done consolidating, but at some point in time, I told you the second wave is coming up. Dollar cost average out. That's number 2. Dollar cost average out. What is dollar cost average out, or dollar cost averaging period? Well, my name is Wall Street Pete. So what do? I wait for a red candle, and I do come down and I start buying when I see stuff like that. What price is that? 269. Yep, I am a buyer of Mana Decentraland. So if you don't know what you're doing, you can actually get Mana and just start buying dips. Oh, no. Why would I do that? Well, I don't buy when it's going up. So there we go again. Buying more, 255. So now you just bought 1,000 at 255, right? $1,000, say. And then I just bought another 1,000 earlier this morning, maybe before I went to bed, at 269, 270. 270. As you know, the prices are starting to get a little cheaper and cheaper, and you're buying more and more shares, accumulating more. Instead of just going up $10,000 right here at 270, I like it, and now you're doing stupid shit. You're trading on emotion. You're putting all your eggs in one basket. Stop doing that. That's what's killing you right now. If you don't know how to trade, what you can do, and if you don't understand any indicators or understand any of the things or the lingo that we talk about, the relative strength index, as we are continuing to show the trend is your friend, until this stops and tells me that we're done, I will continue to buy the dip here on Mana and maybe convert a little bit of Cardano coming out. I have so much Cardano, maybe I need to show you. So Cardano, this is what I did. Funny as hell, I have like a $600 order down here. You can't see. I should have put it in. What an idiot. I'm a knucklehead because I wanted to show you I've been buying it like crazy. Look at this. I am a Cardano maximalist. It's crazy. Look at this. October 31st, Halloween, I got more. I'm out of my mind. I've been buying the whole month. I'm losing my mind. $1.90 every time, even a little more. I did make some mistakes, right? We bought more. Probably here made a couple mistakes. Even here, I think we bought at $2.20. But here, $1.90, $1.80, whatever we could do, right? Whatever we can get in, $1.89. You have to dollar cost average in. I went nuts. I went bonkers, and there's a lot. I wish I could show you even more. But Cardano's now doing its thing. I want you to understand, and now that's why we're here. We're paying attention, definitely to mention. Cardano is looking to make moves. And a lot of people woke up this morning, and what did they see? Well, they saw exactly what Wall Street Pete's been saying. I do expect some downward momentum. I do expect some resistance. Maybe we can get it when we finally touch the 237 mark, and that's the price I was looking to get. This is the rising channel we finally broke above, and if you see the red rising channel, we've been talking about this forever. I said $4 Cardano, 357, hoping to get there. So please, a lot of y'all ain't hitting the like and subscribe, and I do need you to hit it. I need all the help I can get. It's very difficult out here. I do have a lot of haters, and obviously I'm doing something right if I do have the haters, so I thank you very much for even the haters. They're doing something. We got to close this video up. Bitcoin is looking to hit the 76,000 level. Please understand that Bitcoin is starting to rise, and the people who bought early, as you see in the picture, I don't know if you can make it out, it's like a roller coaster ride. The people who bought early are now starting to be able to take profits, see these big gains, and maybe not hodl no more. And understand that this big wick, this big consolidation, well, we just made up for that big consolidation. How quickly? In 1 day, 2 days, we've been showing significant growth. So if you're in this Cardano move, congratulations, you are now up a good percentage. We're now going to see maybe a little percentage down to the 225 level. Maybe we come down, they get rid of this and show you. Maybe we get some red action. People are taking profits and it comes down, and then we do go back up to proceed. So the market, the relative strength index is showing me, what's up, Mikey? It is showing me that we are looking for on the 4 hourly, possibly coming down a little. We can't keep doing this all the way up, so do understand that there will be a pull down eventually. Why I took a little bit of some profits and why I was seeing what Mana with the Decentraland was doing. Took some Cardano and put a little in Mana, not much, just a little. I plan on keeping my Cardano and going to the moon with this, and then selling out at the $4 357 mark, as I said. So we'll see how long it takes to get there. We'll see what happens. A lot of people don't believe in this coin. I even had somebody just text me this morning and say, dude, you have a lot of Cardano. You need to get rid of some. I'm Wall Street Pete. I'm going to figure this thing out. I do love the love that I'm getting. All it was love, and I appreciate it. Everyone's trying to look out for my best interests, as I do for you. So hit the like and subscribe. We're going on a ride. We're going to the moon, and we're going soon. And I do need you to understand, this was the gentleman who worked on the New York Mercantile Exchange, busted his ass every single day, and that was the place real quick with all the people screaming and yelling. This is my badge. It took me every day to get into the place. I came with pride and joy, almost a decade working there, watching people and teaching me how to trade. I learned from the best, and now maybe I am learning from so many of them that were the best that I have a bunch of them inside of me. Basically, I'm unstoppable. I'm like Captain Planet, Voltron, all of them together. Put your sources together, right? It's never just one person. There's no I in team. So Wall Street Pete, pay attention to the levels. Bitcoin is doing what I said, looking to start, maybe begin a shoulder here. If this was the shoulder, then we're done. Then we'll have to see. But I do believe that this is the inverted head and shoulders pattern right down the circle of Bitcoin. And now we're going to create a shoulder as we did here. Get ready, come down to the 66.5, 66.5, and then we're going to see the 76,000. As I told everyone's coming. People don't understand what's happening in the crypto market. If you don't, hodl might be your best method. But if we do come down and retouch here at this price, I'm going to say I told you so. And it could be happening, and we could just be bouncing off right now. So do be expected to see that could have been the bottom. What was the bottom? I'm going to tell you right this second as we're going. 67.3 could have been the bottom. And and now we're going to get green candles the rest of the way to there, and we're going parabolic. So pay attention definitely to mention on that. That's a big possibility. That is definitely a big possibility. We might not be tracing any more on the Bitcoin price, and I want you to understand that this could be a green candle all the way up. The volume's so high, and everybody's coming in, and you'll be wondering why. So this could be the shoulder. I circled it already. The head could be on its way, as I told you very well. 276, 74,000. Cardano should be $10 by December. If not, I'll be disappointed. But let me tell you right now, a lot of people don't believe in this token. And you know what? When it starts doing what I'm telling you it's supposed to do, a lot of people are going to wake the fuck up. And unfortunately, right now, you couldn't buy the dip. You couldn't buy this every time. As I said, buy the dip. Well, we hit resistance here probably. Let's see what happens going further. If you don't take some out, you won't be able to understand that there's another leg up on this check coming down as we just did with Bitcoin. So pay attention to all those moves. Wall Street, Pete, SICKDOE in crypto. We're going to have a good day. I hope we do. I hope you do. It's Tuesday, all right? So we got a long way to go. Hump Day's coming tomorrow. We're going to have a good day. La-dee-da-da. Yeah. So hit the like, subscribe. We're going on a ride. We're going to the moon. And damn, we're going soon. Wall Street Pete, SICKDOE in crypto. I hope tonight we'll be able to do some Matic TA for you. Can't do it right now. We have to make it to a doctor's appointment. So I please hope you understand. In May, we fell off a ladder. We Chevy chased down a ladder and got hurt. And now the man that I am, I took forever to go get help. And now I actually got the help. I'm getting physical therapy done. I don't have the movement in my ankle like I used to. I want to play basketball again. I want to run. I want to be able to do the things I'm used to be able to do without pain. So Wall Street Pete's out of here like Vladimir, going to the doctors. I'll come back. Maybe we'll have a lunchtime video. It's been a while since we did more than just two. This is what I do for a living, ladies and gentlemen. We sit here. We talk about crypto news. We day trade. And you come in here. You help out with some donations. We help the channel. We keep it growing. And hopefully one day we're going to help feed the poor with all this love and support that we've been getting on this channel. It's amazing. So if I can, I will get one together. Matic is a good buy. I'll tell you right now. That's all I can say. It's not financial advice. It's just some things I do on my strategy. I did buy it at 189 when it fell below the 190. Don't know where it's at currently. But have a great day. Wall Street Pete, SICKDOE in crypto.